Welcome back. Well, another hot one out there today, back up to 96 degrees. Notice the record on this date, though, just last year at 101, the beginning of a period of 100-degree days, a stretch that went through much of August and into September as well. So let's get to the graphics and get over to the wall. I'll show you the rainfall. The rainfall, not the top 10 wettest months, but guess what? July is going to fall in the top 10 hottest months. Look where we are. We still have one day to go, and we're tied with 2016 for number 3, and with a high of about 96 tomorrow and a low of about 80, that'll get us into the 3rd position for tomorrow. And notice the recent records. Last year, obviously the hottest year on record, hottest July on record, but 2015, 2016, you have 2018, 2022. In fact, 3 years in a row, we made it into the top 10. And why is that? Our overnight lows are so much warmer than the average of 75. This year, we were 77.4, which is actually 1/10 of a degree warmer than last summer for overnight lows. Daytime highs, though, we were 96, averaging our daytime highs last July. This July, 92.5. And that's in spite of 20-21 days out of the month having rainfall. And what is this? This is climate being felt coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. The water temperatures in the Gulf are some 4 to 5 degrees above the 20th century normal. And that's why we're seeing, going in the record book, 6 out of the top 10 have just occurred in the last 9 years. Is that natural or unnatural? You kind of can figure that out. Weather-wise, as we move forward, we see pretty low rain chances. They'll perk up as we head into the weekend. High pressure still dominating across our part of the world, keeping storms well to the north, and heat advisories in place across our region. The heat index should be between 105 and 110 again tomorrow, and close to that across southwest Louisiana. It'll be pretty darn hot here as well, even though there's no advisory. As we take a look at the tropics, high pressure dominating across the Gulf. We don't see a whole lot happening in the tropics. Good-looking wave coming off the Atlantic coast, but we don't overtly see something happening in the tropics. But we are watching this little bit of a kink in the atmosphere. We have the intertropical convergence zone, some showers and thunder showers here, a tropical wave that spans to the north, and that's kind of the way we draw it on the weather maps. And this tropical wave looks to develop down the line. National Hurricane Center giving it a better than a 50-50 chance of development. But where it develops and where it's going to go, well, it looks like they're favoring the Euro model, and you'll see why. So we track the moisture here through the Bahamas as we head toward Friday. Something trying to develop Saturday, Sunday, maybe off the coast of Florida, perhaps along the east coast, the Carolinas, and then moving to the north. Notice the stop times. Monday, here we are, Monday along the east coast, and then Wednesday, it's way up here. That's the European model, and the European model responding to an upper level trough that's going to pull that system northeastward. Whereas the GFS model says, I don't believe in that trough is going to induce this to move northward. In fact, it's probably going to leave the moisture behind and drift westward across the Gulf of Mexico. And the GFS, this is the first run, so we got to say this is not, we're not going to buy into this. This is a week down the road trying to develop something in the Gulf of Mexico. Don't think that's going to happen, but it means we're going to have to continue to watch tropical waves all summer long going into the fall, the way it's going to play out. But in the near term, no worries. High pressure, mid-90s. Just got to try to stay cool, and then back into the mid-90s on Thursday. Getting into Friday, this high pressure ridge shifts a little bit back to the west, opening up the door for a west-northwest flow aloft. So a little bit of a frontal trough gets here Saturday, Sunday, and that should spark off some afternoon storms. Overnight tonight, temperatures right near 84 low in Lafayette, upper 70s elsewhere. We'll be in the mid-90s tomorrow. That heat index up there tomorrow night, again down to near 80 at best for a low, and then temperatures coming back up into the low to mid-90s again for your Thursday afternoon. Heat index once again pushing 105 to 110 in the prime time. Heating hours generally between 10 in the morning and 7 in the evening will be over that 100-degree mark. So let's take a look at that forecast overnight tonight. 79, your overnight low, with generally fair skies across the region. Then for tomorrow, 96 the high, another hot one out there. Let's move into the 10-day forecast. We'll see highs in the mid-90s, overnight lows near 80, and rain chances eventually picking up this weekend into next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.